Farmyard, a cozy tableau of childhood images. It may have little to do with the realities of world agriculture. Perhaps it never did. But still, not all of the images are redundant. As we outgrow the farmyard songs and nursery rhymes, as reality sets in, at least one image survives our childhood fantasies. The universal tractor. The versatile, go anywhere, do anything tractor. The classic tractor. The Massey Ferguson tractor. Massey Ferguson's universal workhorse has had an outstandingly successful and very colourful history. More colourful than the celebrated TE20, with which Harry Ferguson introduced his unique three-point hitch system and inspired a worldwide revolution in basic tractor design. To paraphrase another famous industrial pioneer, you could have it in any colour as long as it was grey. The increasing worldwide popularity of Massey Ferguson's tractors broadened the database for a continuous program of upgrading and improvement as the company gained experience of every type of application. This specially modified unit accompanied Sir Edmund Hillary's Antarctic expedition, becoming the first vehicle ever to reach the South Pole over land. As revolution has given way to evolution, the little grey Fergie has spawned several generations of successors, slipping in the meanwhile into a less discreet livery. The soundness of Massey Ferguson's basic tractor design has been exemplified by the introduction of a vast range of specifications, offering an unrivaled versatility and bringing safety, comfort and ease of operation to thoroughly modern international standards. The result is that the Massey Ferguson tractor has truly become the workhorse of the world. But evolution is a continuing and relentless process, as relentless as the stringencies which face world farming. Massey Ferguson's preemptive answer to the problems of the future has been to take the evolutionary process one vital stage further, to develop the standard of the future, the workhorse of tomorrow's world, the new Massey Ferguson 300 series. The new 300 series is a complete model family, offering a comprehensive choice of specifications in both four- and two-wheel drive, and with a full range of cab, platform and safety frame configurations. The 300 series is built here at the largest factory facility of its kind in the Western world. Like the world-beating machines it produces, Massey Ferguson's manufacturing assembly plant at Banner Lane, Coventry, is the subject of a continuous and intensive program of investment and improvement. The installation of new computerized machine tools and advanced assembly techniques proclaims Massey Ferguson's future intentions. They are here not only to stay, but to stay in front. Computer-aided design provides a highly responsive and flexible design process, enabling us to test and refine to an advanced theoretical stage before even a prototype is built. The Massey Ferguson 300 series has been designed and assembled using these facilities to combine the classic, proven virtues of its forebears with a host of significant new features. A complete family of high-torque, low-revving Perkins engines provide the pulling power. Quiet, smooth running, and with an enviable reputation for dependability, Perkins engines have been purpose-designed for Massey Ferguson's tractors. Low revs mean long, trouble-free service, as there's minimum stress on the moving part. High torque translates into sheer lugging ability under the heaviest loads and conditions. At slow speeds and low revs, the Perkins engine just keeps pulling through. Still working well inside its capabilities, the same engine provides extremely useful high road speed for rapid transport work. The demand for four-wheel drive has rapidly increased as farmers have come to appreciate the benefits of improved traction throughout a whole range of applications. Massey Ferguson have a great deal of experience in this area, and we've used it to create a new range of axles of rugged construction and simplified design, with fewer working parts, in order to minimize power loss through absorption. Both four- and two-wheel drive axles have been designed to afford maximum protection to steering linkage components, to give improved ground clearance and therefore increased reliability and flexibility of application. And the same goes for the newly designed main driveline, again simplified to reduce power loss, improve ground clearance, and offer greater ruggedness and reliability. Powerful hydrostatic steering, allied to an impressive 50-degree steering angle, gives the 300 series excellent maneuverability and light but positive steering characteristics, allowing tighter and more economical headland turns. Greater strength and a reduced turning circle are also features of the redesigned two-wheel drive axle. The new axle enables easier adjustment of wheel and track settings to suit all row crop work, again saving on unproductive time. Throughout its evolution, the Massey Ferguson 300 has gained strength through experience. Your experience. Our experience. This kind of experience. Ruggedness has been bred into the 300 in answer to the tough treatment which world farming conditions have dished out to its predecessors. The whole chassis has been strengthened and beefed up. Even the hydraulic top cover is now stronger. The new front-end design still offers protection to fuel tank, sheet metal and lights. The mounting points of the stabilizers have been strengthened, and there are new, tougher mounting points for the linkage. The oil-immersed multi-plate braking system provides smooth and progressive stopping power to rival any in the field, or more particularly, on the road. It will encourage the driver to make full use of the tractor's speed and performance, increasing productivity, especially in haulage and loading work. Massey Ferguson have long been in the forefront of brake development, evolving a system that is now so efficient and reliable that brake servicing has all but disappeared. Even periodic maintenance has been reduced to a bare minimum. A comprehensive choice of specifications covers every essential feature of the 300 to ensure that the user will never have to settle for a higher or lower specification than he needs. Transmission options range from 6-speed manual shuttle through to 12-speed multi-power. Similarly, the choice of power takeoff, hitches, tires, spools is a matter of mixing and matching to perfectly suit the application, anywhere in the world. A newly designed cab offers the highest degree of safety, comfort and quietness, encouraging longer work periods and more efficient output. Visibility to front and rear wheels has been improved, while the thin pillars offer a minimum of obstruction for all-round visibility. Forward visibility has been further enhanced by mounting the silencer underneath the front hood panel on 4- and 6-cylinder models. The most frequently used controls have been arranged on the operator's right side, so that they fall quickly and easily to hand, particularly for the operator looking back over his shoulder. As an extra safety measure, they are shaped and color-coded according to function to minimize error. On most models, the steering wheel is adjustable to suit the build of the driver. The modern fascia comprises a full range of instruments and a 12-lamp warning system providing early warning of impending problems, such as low oil pressure or blocked air cleaner, to lessen the risk of consequential damage. The pendant-style pedals have been ergonomically designed to match the natural action of the leg. They are extremely light and comfortable to use, alleviating operator fatigue. The sprung suspension seat offers excellent comfort and support, again to reduce fatigue and lengthen work periods. On platform models, the seat is now in light grey rather than traditional black to reduce heat absorption. A wide-opening roof hatch affords excellent natural ventilation and can be used as an emergency exit if needed. The 2- and 4-post rollover protection structures are of an unobtrusive design, giving extra visibility and room to maneuver. They can be fitted with a sun canopy. From the most significant new features through to a whole series of minor improvements, a conscientious attention to detail has characterized the evolution of the 300 series. Time spent on periodic maintenance has been reduced through improved accessibility. A new hinged or quick removal bonnet allows fast access to the engine for periodic maintenance of air cleaners or upper engine components. The new, larger capacity fuel tank means longer work periods, fewer fuel stops. On 4- and 6-cylinder engine models, it's positioned above the front axle for improved overall weight distribution and to allow easier access to the engine area. Airflow has been improved by a new fluted side vent grille. The pump for external hydraulics, when specified, is now mounted conveniently on the side of the engine and driven from the engine timing gears. The spool valve blocks are relocated to the rear of the tractor and offer single and double action as standard. The quick connect couplers can be connected under pressure and give easier access when hitching up to implements. All more frequently used hand controls, including the spool valve levers, are now on the driver's right-hand side. By employing the latest electronic design aids, we've been able not only to significantly improve and upgrade, but to strengthen and simplify the basic design wherever possible. This means that throughout the 300 range, there is a high commonality of parts, which simplifies service and parts backup. And that also means that downtime will be kept to a minimum on a single tractor or on a whole. The Massey Ferguson 300 series has a very important heritage. It is the product of over 40 years customer experience. It bears an ancestry which goes back in an unbroken line to the birth of the modern tractor. The 300 series has been selectively bred and scrupulously designed to offer maximum economy, value for money, durability, reliability, and versatility in a worldwide range of applications. It is tougher, stronger, more efficient, and carries the greatest possible range of specification, the widest possible choices. Based on our shared successes and experiences of the past, the new Massey Ferguson 300 range has evolved as the universal tractor of the 90s.